If you have issues with Wi-Fi not connecting properly on CMF Phone 2 Pro, here's what we can do. So the first thing that you should check is all the devices that can use Wi-Fi. More precisely, you want to make sure that the issue is actually on your phone and not on your Wi-Fi side entirely, because if you cannot connect to your Wi-Fi on other devices as well, then of course this suggests the issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than the phone. However, if you have issues specifically on this phone, then we can go to Network and Internet. Let's open the Internet settings over here. First of all, we can just simply turn off and turn on Wi-Fi in order to try to reconnect to our Wi-Fi. You can also go to the settings of the Wi-Fi in order to find, for example, the auto connect option. So you might want to make sure that it is enabled. However, it is enabled by default. Besides that, for example, the reason why you cannot connect might be due to a different password. So if the password has been changed recently, then you might want to edit the password by tapping on this pen icon over here in the top right corner, and there we go. Over here we can change the password if that is the case. Besides that, there is also this button over here in the top right corner, which allows you to reset Wi-Fi network entirely. So give it a try. If you cannot find your Wi-Fi network over here on this list, what you can do is scroll all the way down and go and check if you have it in saved networks. In that case, we can select the network and press forget in order to try to find the network again on this list. And also you can do the same thing with the network that is detected on this list but you cannot connect to. So you can once again go to the settings and just choose to forget in order to try to connect one more time. And last but not least, there is also another option that is worth checking out. So let's go back to the settings, and this time you're gonna scroll all the way down in order to go to system, and then over here go to reset options, and then you should be able to find reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option. Over here we can select this option and press reset. Unfortunately, these two things are not separable, so if you decide to reset Wi-Fi, you will also reset the Bluetooth, meaning that you will need to reconnect to your not only Wi-Fi networks but also Bluetooth devices. After you reset the Wi-Fi, of course you will lose access to your Wi-Fi. I mean, the phone will forget all the passwords, so you want to go back to the internet settings and reconnect to your network. And that's pretty much everything that we can do on this phone in order to try to solve your issues. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.